Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
So now that we are done with laying our numbers, I'm just going to go ahead to pop out any bubbles that I can see. My final layer is fully cured, and I'm just going to go ahead to demold and drill my hole. So if you have a small drilling machine, chances are you're not going to be able to use a drilling bit that is bigger than this particular size. So what I do is, because I'm not ready to buy a big driller, I don't think I want to take out that money from my business at the moment. What I do is I just take a I just take an object of the size that I want my hole to be in. I heat it up with my blowtorch, and then I stick it to where I want it to go, and then I just turn till I get to where I want it to stop, right? So again, I decided to add some finishing touches to the sides of my clock. Please note that if your design direction doesn't require you to do all this, you can skip it and then just do the design that you want. So now that I have my hole, it is perfect. I'm going to go ahead to insert the clock engine and the clock hands. Right. Now the thing with the hands is, for the size of the clock you are making, you have to go for the size of the hand that is appropriate. So if you are doing a smaller clock, you have to go for a smaller clock hand so that it doesn't exceed the size of your actual clock.